Hi guys, welcome back in the Laravel 5.8 video tutorial, and in this video we are going to learn about how we can start with the database. So the database will be the MySQL. So before starting, I am going to tell you what point we are going to cover in this video. First of all, we will write a controller and make a route so that we can access this controller. Then we will do the DB configuration in the env file, and after that we will write the query and fetch the data on the Laravel. And I'm also going to show you the phpMyAdmin so that you can see the database name on the table. The database name is a user and my table name is a users, and here we have only two entries, and with these two entries we are going to play around the database. So first of all, I'm going to make a controller, just so that write the controller here. The controller command is php artisan make controller, and the controller name is you can put whatever you want, like YouTube. Okay, so we got the controller inside the HTTP controller. So first of all, I'm going to write a function here, like public function index or whatever you want to put, and just echo something here like query will be here. So now just make the router for this. So just write here router get, and I'm going to put it db, and now just put the URL, controller address YouTube @ function name. All good. Okay, so just try to access this for now. Okay, so we are able to access this. Now after that, just do the open the .env file, and you will find on the root, wrote it here. So just you have to put it three things. One is the DB name. My DB name is user. Root is my username, and password is redhat @123. In your case, it could be blank also. After that, just go back to your controller, and here you have to write the namespace so that we can use the DB class. Okay, so just write here use eliminate and support, and after just support, just write here facet and after that just write here db in the capital sense. Nice. And now you can just simply write here like $, query, and just simply write here result db select, and your query select star from users table name. Okay, so we have right here user, okay, username, that's fine, and you can just return here $result. So it should be result of two result here. So let's see, is it returning? Okay, so you can see that we got the data in the JSON format here. Okay, so if you just simply want to this result in the array, then you can just write here printa, you are able to access inside the array. Okay, so this is not actually best way to get the data from the database. Then for that we have to make the models also, but about the models we are going to learn in the next video. These are the basics that how we can just access the data from the Laravel. Okay, so thanks guys, thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of query, suggestion and anything else that you want to share, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this video.